if you're using Angular material 14, that it has some issue. Okay. So whatever your version is there, if you're using Angular 12, then you can use Angular material as well as 12. Angular material is another CSS framework given by the Google. Again, that Angular material is of Angular. Okay. The Bootstrap is also another CSS framework, same like your Angular material is there. Most recommend that if you are using Angular, then use Angular material. Okay, it is a recommendation, but not hard and fast rule. Always use Angular material. Sometimes we have to use Bootstrap as well. Okay, because some functionality I have to perform the using Bootstrap. It is an easy way and perform it easy, because when we use Angular material has a is very good, but its flow to implement that CSS framework, it's quite complex. Okay, so most of the developer is recommended use a Bootstrap. Okay? But according to my knowledge, Angular material is a wide functionality provide other than the other CSS framework, because it is also compatible with your Angular. Use Angular material. For that, we have to install your Angular material. You can follow the steps initially. Just I have. Okay. So first step, install Angular material. Okay, you can follow that step as well as, if you want to follow that step, you can follow that step. Otherwise, if you want to Google it, you can Google that things. I just also display that and learn that how we can learn the Angular material. It's an easy document given by the Angular. Okay, just mention here Angular material. Okay, so first site is there, first link is there. You can just click here. You want to require Angular 12. Currently, it displays the Angular 14 version. We require Angular 12, so select here version V12. That is 14.2. That is whatever the update, last update is 13. Okay, so we use it's a documentation. Its documentation very easy to understand. Okay, if you want to form field, okay, for example, if you want to use form field, there is a form field is there. You just check out how we can learn that Angular material is very easy. That how to implement that form field, it is gives the overview. Okay, basically mat form field, it is again a directive, but it is a component directive. Okay, it is component directive. It always start with the mat. Okay, mat is indicate that is a material. Okay, so always remember, if mat is there, then indicate that it is a Angular material is used. Okay, that project. So mat hyphen form hyphen field. If you want to use this, you have to import, it's a module. Okay, otherwise we cannot import that module as well. Okay, so initially it is a mat form field. Okay, you have to import, use here syntax as well. You can see here, if you want to see here, it's HTML syntax. You can use the HTML syntax as well. Click on that, you will get all the syntax. HTML, Typescript syntax, and this CSS syntax. So you can learn from here itself. It's a very simple and understandable documents. Okay. Or here mention the API also. If you want to use that form field, you have to import that things. Then and then you can use it. Okay. Yes, Srinivasan, you have any doubt? Srinivasan? Okay, just mute it.
No.
Okay. Also, that form field provides a mat error. There's a one more directive is there. So it is very helpful for us. We directly use a mat error. It will handle all the things. Highlight in the red color format if error is occur. Okay, so directly we use a mat error. Okay, that provided by. So it's very helpful for us. Here also give the example as well. If you want to use smiley as well, you can use smiley. Okay, so that code is also available here. We can use that icon or smiley. That mat icon is there. You can apply mat icon on that. It's predefined name. Sentiment very satisfied. It is a predefined name. So apply that name here as well. Okay. So according to that, you can use here lot more components there. Button is there, pagination, card, checkbox, date picker, dialog. Okay. Badges. Right now we apply the badges also of that bootstrap. If you want to apply badges of these badges, you can use that Angular material badges as well. Okay. So according to that, you can apply here. Okay. Now